Okay, welcome back. In this video, we'll be reviewing how GBPUSD, EURUSD, gold, and silver performed this week, focusing on the key reactions, the structure shifts, and important takeaways going into the next week. So this is late, based on my usual time for dropping these videos at the end of every week, and I decided that I have to still do it. Yeah, I have dedicated myself to doing this, so I have to still do it. So let's just dive straight to the charts. So this is GU, and on GU, on the weekly time frame, I indicated this week that I'll be looking to sell from this level right here. I'll be looking forward to sell from this level right here. Yeah, this level. And I want to see price. Oh no, yeah. I want to see price get to this level. This one right here. So what the price actually do? So on the daily time frame, which is value for entries, you can see that on Monday, price just pretty much ranging, wasn't able to give a clear decision. Same thing happened on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we were able to go bullish, which I was looking at this as a very good level to buy from right here. And then price did what? Price came back and gave me a sell confirmation. And then this sell confirmation gave me a reason why I should be looking forward to selling from this level down to this level right here or below this level. But if we move over to the 4 hour time frame, we can see clearly right here that price did not give something for me to sell from. So what the price do? Price just dropped and then price closed bullish on Friday. So price closing bullish, I will not be looking forward to selling anymore, but instead I'll be waiting for this level above. So that's pretty much what happened on G. It was just a very slow move for the week. Price just pretty much, I would just say price ranged. Look at the 4 hour time frame, you can see it clearly. Price just ranged, then moved up, dropped, and price is still resting there. No really interesting move for the week. So that's all that happened on GU. Level I was waiting for and the reaction I was waiting for, price gave it, but price did not give a 4 hour good entry. So that is the summary of GU for the week. Now over to Euro USD. Now on Euro USD, what did we do on Euro USD? So last week I indicated that I'll be looking forward to taking a buy on this level right here. That was right from when price opened for the week, which price then gave me is buy confirmation on the daily time frame, which I entered from. So we had this buy confirmation right here, which then okay, let me move back to the daily time frame. Let me just ignore the because I did actually take that. So if we look at this here, we can see that we had this daily confirmation here, and then we waited for price to come over to the 4 hour time frame. And if we look at the 4 hour time frame, you see the place I took my entry. Like I said, I am looking for a bullish price action on EU. So price gave that, and we were able to take this entry from here, and we took another second entry from here. So we got this after this inducement entry, this inducement engineered liquidity here. This inducement was pretty much very far. So we use this entry right here with the engineered liquidity here, and we are hoping to take this high. So what the price do? E was just ranging, man. Was just ranging. Throughout the week, we just saw a range. So now we want to see if we break out towards this level or we break downwards. And these are the events going on right now. I am seeing a possibility of price breaking downward, but I'm going to still be bullish until my TA tells me no longer bullish. So I'm focused and locked in on technical analysis. I don't care about the news. Now my TA shows me is what I execute. So that's the game for me right now. So price just ranged, and now we just have to wait and see what price does this week. So that's pretty much the sum of EU. Nothing much interesting as usual. Daily structure one, daily structure two, right here, all based on engulfings, all based on engulfing, daily structure engulfing. This engulfing happened here too. So that is why I took the second buy, engulfing here, why I took the first buy, engulfing here, why I took the second buy. This engulfing here, you might not understand it though. It's funny, but that is why I took the first buy. Now let's look at gold. So on gold, what did price do on gold this week? So if we look at the daily time frame, you see I said I will be bullish for the week, and I indicated the fact that I'll be looking for price to come into this fair value gap here. So what did price do? Price came into this fair value gap right here. After coming into this fair value gap for the week, then price did something else. After the candle closed, then price created a breakout block right here. This breakout block, and I tried to enter from this breakout block, and then price took us out and range. So I placed my enterprise, came in, reacted, then range for a while, and then broke out. But I was able to get a catch of this based on the theory I have been teaching so far. Whenever I drop this my market review, be it beginning of the week or end of the week, I talk about this whenever gold does it. Whenever gold ranges, and then after a range, it breaks out, and then it does a retracement and continues. So I talked about how gold ranges. If I'm trading EU, I avoid trading the range. So I wait for a breakout. But on gold, if I have a strong direction, what I do is I try to enter from a lowest point on the range, looking or putting my focus on price action, how price has been reacting so far. So when I noticed this range right here on gold, what I did was I looked for an entry, and I was able to get a 30 minutes entry right here. I was able to get a 30 minutes entry right here. After price took this inducement or liquidity right here, price then gave this breakout block, and I don't trade FVGs based as entry without an inducement. So price missed this breakout block, and then we missed the move. But I was able to catch it on my Bybit because crypto is tradable on Bybit. So I was able to catch the move on Bybit. So I used this breakout block here, and it triggered before the move, and so I'll be targeting the all-time highs. But it was a very little risk because of how the gold on Bybit is. I was not able to risk my usual amount. So it's still something. It's still something. So that's what actually happened on gold. One loss and one win. But the win is able to cover the loss, though. It's still something. On silver, we said that we were going to be bullish for the week. And what happened? Price did not give us anything. Nothing. And price just went to the roof. You can see here on Monday, bullish. On Tuesday, bearish. On Monday, on Wednesday, bullish. Not only bullish, but it engulfed Tuesday. So what do we see? A reason to buy. So move over to the 4-hour time frame, and then we can see this. Price has this inducement here, but it's not a perfect inducement for my enter because it's too far. So price came here and engineered one, but it's actually tapped into this, so I can't take this. So I have to wait for a sweep of any liquidity or inducement. So price sold down and swept this, give us an engulfing candle right here. After giving us an engulfing candle, we didn't see a retracement. Price just dropped a little bit, but price didn't tap into it and price disappeared. So we missed the move. Not bad. So that is what happened on silver. Bullish on silver, bullish on gold, all played out. Was able to catch a little on gold, silver nothing. On EU, bullish, cut two moves, and they are here to hit TP. Let's see what happened this week. On GU, bearish, price wasn't able to give us a strong a strong entry to take, so we could continue the sell. And it looks like we want to go bullish. There is no confirmation yet, just based on sentiment. So I don't really care about it, but I'm just saying it. So that is how the week ended. So thank you for watching, and I hope this was insightful and helpful. And do have a nice night or a nice day and a profitable week ahead.